Hello and welcome to my video. Mazi White here, and I'm just so glad to have you out there. Okay, now in this video we're going to be looking at free traffic sources. All right, how to get free affiliate marketing traffic for beginners. All right, how to get free affiliate marketing traffic for beginners, because oftentimes I have some of my students ask me who are new into affiliate marketing, and they are like, how do I get traffic to my offers? All right, and when it comes to digital marketing or affiliate marketing, traffic simply means audience. All right, eyeballs. We say eyeballs. How do I get eyeballs on what I'm selling? All right, and we all know that sales is everything. All right, sales is everything. Sales is the bottom line. When it comes to business, the question is, are you making sales? All right, because when there is no sale, the engine room comes to a halt, and that means the end of whatever business that you are doing. All right, so this video is about how to get free affiliate marketing traffic for beginners. All right, and it's just an overview. I'm not going to be going into details, so I'm going to be mentioning certain platforms or places that you could go to engage free traffic for your offers. Okay, now the number one place as a beginner that you can go and generate traffic to whatever offer that you are promoting for conversion purpose is YouTube. All right, YouTube is a great source of traffic. YouTube is a great source of traffic, and it's free. It's free. All right, you can go to YouTube, create your YouTube channel, and promote your niche. All right, promote your offer. Leave your affiliate link on your in your content. Make videos. All right, and leave your affiliate link and have people click on your affiliate links, and you make money. There are thousands of videos on YouTube that are doing that. All right, as a beginner, you can go create a YouTube channel and promote whatever offer that you are that resonates with you. All right, now another source of free traffic is Facebook. All right, as a digital marketer, you should have a Facebook page. All right, what you do on your Facebook page is promote your business. Facebook page is for promotion of whatever business that you are engaged in. All right, and setting up your Facebook page is free. You don't need to pay money to set up your Facebook page. All right, it's free to set up. All right, and you don't pay any money. It's not like doing Facebook ad. All right, the purpose of your Facebook page is to promote your business, and what Facebook does is that Facebook bring your page before people who are interested in your niche. All right, so apart from doing paid traffic, there is also free traffic. We call it organic traffics, where you could go and generate traffic for your affiliate product, and these are what I'm doing in this video. This is what I'm doing. So I just named YouTube. You can go to YouTube and generate traffic, free traffic to your offers. You can go to Facebook and generate free traffic to your offers. All right, you can create blogs. All right, there are free sites like blogger.com or wordpress.com where you could go, or Google sites where you could go and create free web pages, create blog, create website. All right, to promote your affiliate link, or to promote your interest. All right, these are free affiliate marketing traffics for a beginner. All right, you don't need to start with money. I didn't start with money. I started with free traffic. And one thing about free traffic is that when you do free traffic and you make money, you are more confident. It tells you a lot that you can really do this. All right, it tells you the power behind what you are doing, that you can really do this. All right, and another free traffic source is Quora.com. You can go to Quora.com and create your account, and Quora is a platform where people go to ask questions about what they don't know. People come there to ask questions about weight loss, about make money online, about fashion, anything in life. People come there to ask questions. All right, in Quora, and you could go to Quora and create your account and answer questions and leave your affiliate link. All right, these are amazing places where you can generate traffic, free traffic from. All right, there are loads of free traffic sources like Medium. You can go to Medium, create an account on Medium and promote whatever offer that you have on Medium. All right, so this is just a short video. You can go to Google, type in, if you're a new affiliate, you can go to Google, type in free traffic for affiliate marketing. All right, free traffics for affiliate marketing, and I tell you, everything you want to know this time around is a Google search away, and you can have questions to answer to all your questions concerning free traffic. Thank you for being there. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. God bless you. God bless you. And in case you don't know how to do affiliate marketing is still that hazy before you, don't really understand how to do it, I'm gonna be leaving a link below this video of a training that took me by the hand and taught me how to do affiliate marketing. And I tell you folks, I make money doing affiliate marketing, and this training would hold you by the hand and teach you how to do affiliate marketing. Not only hold you by the hand, it's going to leave you with templates, sample templates, all right, that will teach you how to write your sales copy, how to write your emails, and how to do write your Facebook ad copies, your pre-sale copies, and all that. It leaves you with good templates. All right, good copy templates that you can use on your own. All right. So I'm leaving the link to that program below this video. It's called the 72IG 72IG implementation system. All right, it's a good one. It's a game changer if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and do it with results. So go ahead and click on the link below and take advantage of that training. God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, and thank you. See you in my next video. God bless you.